Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is NURALIAH binti Rashidi. My matric number is A19A0654. So today I will present about my internship industry company. Background of the industry. Ecobi BIOTECH Berhad is a private limited company that has been registered in Malaysia since 2002 and is a halal certified company. It has a total of 10 workers who represent all departments within the organisation. Ecobi BIOTECH has also added 4 location outlets in various areas, including Village Grocer Tropicana Garden Shopping Mall in Petaling Jaya, Paradigm Mall in Johor Bahru, Village Grocer Mid Valley South Key Shopping Mall in Johor Bahru, and Ion Mall Bukit Indah in Johor Bahru. Madam Katie Tan is a director responsible for ensuring that Ecobi BIOTECH operation runs smoothly. Madam Katie Tan created the B Shop in 2002 and Ecobi BIOTECH Berhad in 2023. She was able to regain her health after several years of using bee medicine. Ecobi BIOTECH is the first beekeeper in Malaysia to use the mobile bee farming technique, which is no feeding. They currently have over 2,000 native beehives in operation to generate premium and natural quality bee-related items. The beehive will be situated at a specific distance from the flower so that the honey produced does not mix. The bee products are then harvested, uncooked and unheated to keep the original flavor and taste directly from Malaysia's untamed bushes and rainforests where wild bees reside in their natural habitat. The original wilderness is rich in nutrients and has powerful therapeutic effects. Straight from the beehive, nature's remedy for health, beauty and fitness is ideal for everyone. Ecobi BIOTECH has achieved Halal, ISO 20000, HACCP, GMP and MED in Malaysia, which is PUAN Malaysia certificates due to the collaboration with several universities, which is Monash University, University Technology Malaysia UTM, University Tunku Abdul Rahman UTA, and University Putra Malaysia UPM, which is 3 of them research about Malaysian golden kelulup propolis and 1 for wild raw honey. Last but not least, product effectiveness is the backbone of brand success. To date, Ecobi BIOTECH Berhad generate 8.17 billion USD in raw honey in 2021, 81 million USD in royal jelly, 576.75 million USD in propolis, and 559 million USD in bee pollen in 2020. They have 5 departments that are involved in Ecobi BIOTECH. First, Director. Director is a senior management professional who oversees an aspects of an organization. Directors often oversees managers and assist them in managing a department, team or project. For example, a human resources director may oversee payroll, hiring, benefits and recruiting managers. The role of director is call meetings including board meetings, annual general meetings and extraordinary general meetings. Second, make decisions for the company. Third, manage the company's business and affairs. And lastly, prepare and file required statutory documents. Director must fulfill both fiduciary and statutory duties to make sure that the director is acting in the best interest for the company. The fiduciary duties of director are to act in a good interest for the company, avoid conflicts of interest, and use power for a proper purpose. Statutory duties are to act in a good faith and use power for a proper purpose, disclose interest in any contract, get company approval before executing transactions, and keep register and statutory books updated. Second, Admin and Account Department. HR and Admin Officer responsibilities include processing employee data, updating company policies, and assisting in the hiring process. An accountant is to manage company assets and financial expenditure, preparing financial documents such as invoice, tax filings, and monthly profit reports, maintaining files on account receivable and updating record as required, managing the flow of petty cash by recording all the monetary transactions. Third, Sales Department. A sales department is responsible for selling products or services for a company. The department comprises a sales team that works together to make sales, increase profitability, and build and maintain relationship with customers to encourage repeat purchases and brand loyalty. The sales and marketing responsibilities include generating unique sales plan, creating engaging advertisement, emails and promotional literature, developing pricing strategies, and meeting marketing and sales human resource objectives. Fourth, Production Department. A production worker is responsible for meeting quality standards and deadlines for products. They check for defects, assembles product, monitor manufacturing equipment, and closely follow safety procedures to prevent accidents in environments where materials may be dangerous. Fifth and lastly, Quality Department. Quality department is ensuring products are designed taking account of safety standards, supervising teams and monitoring project standards, scheduling regular testing of the product and ensuring that the quality is within the standards, tracking and verifying that the project's requirements are met. The company operating activities. First, manufacturing honey. Ecobi Biotech manufacturing activities include the process of extracting honey from honeycombs, processing and packaging the honey, and producing propolis and royal jelly. Their selling activities involve distributing their products to local stores and farmers market. So, in addition to selling their products at local store and farmers market, the Bishop also offers wholesale option for business and sells their products directly to their outlet. Second, OEM services. Ecobi Biotech provides OEM services. They are essentially selling their honey products to other business who then use those products in their own products. The other business can then sell their products under their own brand name without using the Bishop brands. This allows other business to take advantage of the Bishop's high-quality honeybee products without having to invest in their own manufacturing process. Lastly, CTG program. Ecobi Biotech is involved in a lot of different types of business activities. So, in addition to manufacturing and selling their own honeybee products, offering a wholesale option, and providing OEM services, they are also run a CTG program. In this program, Ecobi Biotech pays people to find customers for their products without holding any stock. Ecobi Biotech's CTG program is a great way for people to earn money by promoting Ecobi Biotech's product without having to hold any stock. The business environment in Ecobi Biotech is first, technological. This company is a technological business environment which includes the development of its first supercritical fluid extraction, which is SFE method in Kelulut propolis in Malaysia. Second, competitive. The company have a huge competitive leverage as there are many honeybees provider in Malaysia that provides the same product range. Lastly, natural. The natural business environment affect the companies on part of harvesting of honey. The company facing difficulties in availability of the resources as the bee farm is located in geographically changed area. The scope of exposure to student is first, design the poster. Among the tasks given by Madam Cathy Tan was that I was given the task of making some poster to be advertised on social media sites such as Paid Sales, Shopee and Lazada poster in conjunction with Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Mother's Day, Father's Day and so on. I was also tasked with making bunting for them to take when they went to events that had registered and joined, for which allowed them to travel all over the country, and even the countries that they have traveled is like Japan, Singapore and Hong Kong. Among my editing tools are Canva and Adobe Illustrator application. Second, video edited. In addition, I have also made several videos to be uploaded to the official TikTok social media, The Bishop, by creating a new like for all those videos, such as improving the way of recording, editing and so on. The application that I use to make videos are CapCut and also Canva. Third, extract and analyze the data. Moreover, I have been assigned to analyze some data such as open sales invoice, transfer notes, stock take and so on. I opened the sales invoice to be uploaded into her company's sales and marketing system to record all the purchase data into the system. The system that they use is Zillnex. Fourth, production. I also learned about their product production methods from start to finish, such as raw material, how to fill honey, how to dry all honey bottles, how to stick the stickers, and how to print the expiry dates and batch number, and how to package their order item. Fifth, design their sticker. I was instructed to modify all the stickers for their improved products, such as adding all the kinds of certificates that they have, such as ISO, HACCP, GMP made in Malaysia, and I was also instructed to make a new stickers for their new honey products, such as ginger infused honey, lemon infused honey, propolis lemon honey, sacha inchi oil honey, and so on. The editing materials that I often use is Adobe Illustrator. Contribution to industry. First, I prepared all their branding stickers product. A meaningful contribution to Ecobi Biotech by preparing their branding stickers product. This is an important task that requires creativity, attention to detail, and a strong understanding of the company's brand identity. By taking on this project, I likely work closely with the company's marketing or design team to develop a concept for the stickers, select the appropriate materials, and ensure that the final product was of high quality. This project likely required me to be a highly organized, detail-oriented, and able to work independently to meet the deadlines. By completing this project successfully, I have demonstrated my skills and commitment to the company's success, and I likely gain valuable experience in graphic design, marketing, and project management. Overall, my contribution has helped me to strengthen Ecobi Biotech brand's identity and increase its visibility among customers. Second, I help them to run smoothly the orders from Shopee, Lazada, CTG, and outlets. This is an important task that requires strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work collaboratively with others. By taking on this project, I likely work closely with the company's logistic or customer service team to ensure that the orders were processed efficiently and accurately, and that customers receive their orders in a timely manner. This project likely required me to be a highly organized, detail-oriented, and able to work effectively under pressure to meet customer demands. By completing this project successfully, I have demonstrated my skills and commitment to the company's success, and I have likely gained valuable experience in logistics, customer service, and project management. Overall, my contribution have helped to strengthen Ecobi Biotech's reputation for excellent customer service and increase its sales across multiple channels. Lastly, I helped them to take a good picture to advertise and design a marvelous poster. Another meaningful contribution to Ecobi Biotech by helping them to take a good picture to advertise and design a marvelous poster with a bombastic explanation. By taking on this important task, I have demonstrated my creativity, my attention to detail, and my ability to work collaboratively with others. Additionally, by completing this project, I have likely gained valuable experience in graphic design and marketing, which will be valuable in my future career. Moving forward, I may want to consider taking on additional projects or responsibilities that build on my strengths and interests. By continuing to contribute to the company's success, I can build strong relationships with my colleagues and gain valuable experience that will help me to achieve for my career goals. Suggestion for improvement. First, increase the number of the employees. Ecobi Biotech is struggling with a lack of employees. They could consider a few different strategies to attract more candidates. One option would be to offer competitive compensation and benefit package, as well as opportunities for career growth and development. Additionally, they could explore alternative staffing models, such as hiring contract workers or freelancers to help fill any gaps. Finally, they could focus on building a strong employee brand and promoting their company culture to help attract top talent. Second, give sufficient morale to employees. They are facing some challenge related to employee morale and staffing. One way they could address this is by investing in their employee through training and development programs, as well as offering competitive compensation and benefit package. Additionally, they could focus on building a strong company culture that values and supports their employees. By doing this, Ecobi Biotech can create a more positive and engaging work environment that will help attract and retain top talent. Third, using a high-quality machine, tools, and spare part. They are using perishable and non-durable equipment in their manufacturing process. One way they could address this is by investing in a higher quality, more durable equipment that will last longer and require less frequent replacement. Additionally, they could explore alternative manufacturing methods that don't rely on perishable equipment, such as automation or outsourcing. By doing this, Ecobi Biotech can reduce their costs and improve the efficiency of their manufacturing process. Fourth, production flow. Ecobi Biotech is experiencing issues with their production flow. They could consider implementing a few different strategies to improve their efficiency. One option would be to conduct a true analysis of their production process to identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Once these have been identified, they could work to streamline their production flow by eliminating unnecessary steps or reorganizing their production line. Additionally, they could invest in new technologies or equipment that could help improve their efficiency, such as automation or robotics. Finally, they could focus on improving their workforce by offering training and development programs that help employees work more efficiently and effectively. Other issues that can occur at companies include low productivity, high turnover rates, and poor management. To address these issues, companies can implement training programs to improve the employee skills, provide incentives to encourage retention, and establish clear expectations for management. Lastly, quality control. Manufacturers can face issues such as quality controls problem, supply chains disruption, and high production costs. To improve quality control, manufacturers can implement rigorous testing procedures and invest in a new technology. To address supply chain disruptions, manufacturers can diversify their suppliers and establish backup plans. To reduce production costs, manufacturers can optimize their processes and invest in automation. The challenge of the task execution. First, I am feeling challenged by the task of designing a poster for social media advertising, but I already found a few strategies I could consider to help me to get started. One option would be to conduct research on successful social media campaigns to identify what has worked well for other business in the past. This can help me to identify design elements or messaging strategies that may be effective for my own campaign. Additionally, I could consider working with a graphic designer or marketing professional who can offer guidance and support as I develop the poster. Finally, it can be helpful to break the design process down into smaller, more manageable steps such as sketching out rough draft or creating a list of design elements that I want to include. This helped me to stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Second, facing challenge related to editing a video for marketing purpose. But there are a few strategies that I do to help me to get started. One option would be to conduct research on successful marketing videos to identify what has worked well for other businesses in the past. This can help me to identify design elements or messaging strategies that may be effective for the video. Additionally, I could consider working with a video editing professional who can offer guidance and support as I develop the video. Finally, it can be helpful to break the editing process down into smaller, more manageable steps and such as reviewing footage, selecting key clips and adding effects or transitions. Lastly, facing challenge related to editing their branding stickers because I am not a graphic design student. But I keep on trying to fulfill the task given by manage some strategies that I could consider to help me to get started. One option would be to use online design tools or software that can help me and guide me through the design process. These tools often include pre-made templates or design elements that can help me to create a professional looking design without the need for extensive graphic design knowledge. Additionally, I could consider working with a graphic designer or branding professional who can offer guidance and support as I develop their stickers. Finally, it can be helpful to break the design process down into smaller, manageable steps such as sketching out rough draft or creating a list of design elements that I want to include. To describe my challenge during my internship at BIOTECH, I can discuss how I overcame obstacles such as learning about the different types of honey and their health benefits, managing inventory, and providing excellent customer service. I can also mention how I improved my communication skills and learn about the importance of teamwork. Remember to stay focused on the positive outcomes and how I grew from this challenge. There are some added value for my knowledge. First, new and improved skills and how to apply them. One of the most important things that I gained from my internship is a newfound knowledge. This can include knowing how to fulfill tasks that are relevant to my desired career path and sharpening the skills that I already possess. Many students think an internship mainly consists of making coffee and running errands for superiors all day, but that is not true, and really it shouldn't be like that. An internship is an opportunity to test out all the skills that I developed in my college and see how they work in the real world. Second, professional communication. Working in a professional setting for the first time that can be difficult to get used to, but it is the best way to learn how to navigate the working world through real life and hands-on experience. One of the most valuable skills that I gained from my internship is the ability to speak with people in a professional setting. Discussion with bosses and co-workers are different from discussion with lecturers and fellow students and friends. After my internship, I should have a better idea of the appropriate way to behave as a professional. This will help me a lot when I start interviewing for jobs because I will be more confident and will sound more mature and experienced in a business setting. Third, work hard. Always work hard even if my task is small and seems unimportant. It will help me to build a good work ethic and people will notice the effort that I put in. It is not nice to be told what to do all the time, but my superiors know better. Following the rules and instructions they gave me make it easier for everyone. Fourth, independence. Often, we think being spoon-fed is the way to learn, but working independently has proved to be very important. My internship will teach me to make my own decision and do things on my own. Being able to work independently with little guidance is very important in the working world. Fifth, the opportunity to learn more about myself. The experience that I go through are what shaped me. My internship will encourage personal development and a greater understanding of myself. To know myself is to know my goals and how to achieve them best. Finding this level of clarity is challenging, but sometimes all it takes is trying something new out of my comfort zone. For example, take a business administration student who decide to do an internship related to their field of study. That internship will allow them to explore what a career in business marketing would be like. Sometimes, reality needs to meet expectation. At this point, the student is given a chance to decide whether they wish to continue with their current career path or try something else. Lastly, stand up my resume. Switching my mindset to a short-term goal is better for securing a job interview than thinking a long-term. To get a job interview, it is important to have a specific section on my resume dedicated to experience. Internships are the perfect way to enhance my resume through relevant experience. List the tasks of projects that I have done and participate in to demonstrate my value. During my internship, I can acquire new skills and abilities that can improve me as a young professional and enhance my resume. The more experience I get, the better my position myself for a success in landing a job. Think of my resume as an extension of myself and how I would want someone to perceive me. That's all from me. Thank you.